Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you just a very simple fruit salad topped with my mango raspberry dressing. I have a very simple fruit salad here, and this is just fruit that I had on hand. You can use pretty much whatever fruit you want. I've got a clementine in here, or at least pieces of clementine in here, some apples, some banana, and some grapes. And then I have my mango raspberry dressing. I'll put a link below to the video where I show how to make this. It's a very simple dressing, and I like to use it even more so than applesauce, and it can be used like an applesauce, but it's delicious sprinkled over fruit. And I'm just going to drizzle some over here. I want you to see that it makes a really pretty presentation like this, and it just dresses it up just enough to make it extra special. If you want to do that for a little party or a brunch that you're having, I think people would be impressed with, oh, what is this? Doesn't that look nice? Give it a try sometime. Give this a try sometime. It's really easy and delicious. I've got other ideas, ways to use this mango raspberry dressing. Check out my blog. I've got the link below. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.